Hello Internet and welcome to my channel. I want to talk about the Apple new iPhone SE, the budget new iPhone. Well, everybody was flipping their mind that Apple announced a $400 iPhone, which is a really great deal if you are willing to go into the Apple ecosystem. And of course, this iPhone SE is identical to the iPhone 8, except it supports the new Bionic chip A13, which can be found in the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. Well, everything is great, right? If you are planning to buy a budget new iPhone, this is the good or best choice for you. But if new is out of your requirement, then this will be the worst deal ever. Why? If you go for eBay first and search for iPhone X, used iPhone X to be specific, you can see that it can cost you $350 or even less a little bit, depend on the size. Well, of course, iPhone X does not support the latest chip compared to the iPhone SE, but it has a bigger screen, a much better screen as well. It has facial recognition compared to the fingerprint ID. And the best thing about iPhone X is that it has dual rear camera compared to the iPhone SE. So immediately, what is Apple is doing with the iPhone SE? People are asking for budget phone, but this is a rip-off phone that you can find on Alibaba.com. And the comparison got even more worse when you compare it with the budget Android phones. Of course, most of people does not compare Apple to the Android phone. They are incomparable. In terms of the value of the features, I think this is a very valid comparison. So let's go for Samsung Galaxy A71. It has a bigger screen, 6.7 inches compared to the iPhone SE, 4.7. It has a higher resolution, Full HD, compared to the iPhone SE HD. Well, here's the killer. The Samsung A71 has a quad camera setup on the back compared to the iPhone SE, which is a single rear camera only. And I can go on and on about the battery as well. It is not the best for the iPhone SE. The Galaxy A71 costs the same as iPhone SE, $400. And you are asking what Apple is doing. The only thing that I can think of that people is going toward the iPhone SE is the fact that they are missing the fingerprint sensor and they are missing the small footprint of the iPhone 8. And other than that, this phone is a total ripoff. And come to think of it, Apple had an opportunity, a golden opportunity, to upgrade this iPhone with better features like a bezel-less screen. Well, this iPhone SE has a very huge chin and forehead. They didn't change anything from the iPhone 8. And they can incorporate as well in-screen fingerprint sensor to make this phone more modern, but they failed again. Well, Apple in this decision or in this strategy, I think, is that they are trying to conflict with iPhone XR and iPhone 11. And this is a valid reason from Apple, because this will create confusion into the market. And before I end this video, this new iPhone SE, people who are willing to buy this phone is just for the fact that it is a 4.7 screen inch, and that's it. What do you think, guys? Tell me in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.